Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. And we're starting off on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, because of the dollar analysis and looking at other pairs, I actually think this is going to continue to go down. I think it's either going to be an ABC pullback to this last impulsive up and then continue the uptrend, or maybe it's a 1, 2, 3 that goes down and breaks this structure, confirming that we're in a much bigger move to the downside. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, you would definitely think otherwise. We are definitely at the 61% Fibonacci retracement. We're at the 123 Fibonacci extension of what could be a wave A, projected off what could be a wave B. We are definitely making an impulsive up, and we are trying to break structure to the upside. There is definitely a chance that this is like an ABC of B, or possibly even an ABC of 2. Now, if this holds above structure, what I would suggest doing is if you trade shorter time frames, you can look for longs while you learn whether it makes another pullback to the downtrend, or while you learn whether it makes an impulsive move to the upside. Because if this really is the end of a wave B or 2, then it would have to be impulsive up. If it does anything besides make impulsive up, if it starts to become very overlapping, then more than likely it's gonna continue the higher time frame downtrend. Like I said, because of the dollar index, I am actually leaning towards the fact that this may just continue back down. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.